Hey, today we are in BMW and I'm going to show you how to adjust your fuel consumption readout. Here you can see that we have 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, and over here we have the hidden menu with the correction of the fuel consumption. As you can see, it's set to 1000 right now. This is factory settings. This is no adjustment at all. If you want to know how to enter this hidden menu, check the description below this video. There's a link to other videos where I explain how to enter it and how to use it. Okay, so you know that there's no adjustment at all right now. Your average fuel consumption calculated by the car is 7.8. So now you need to fill up your car, reset your odometer, and next time you are on a gas station, you have to check how much fuel gets in your car and how many kilometers you have done. Based on your actual fuel consumption and the readout from your instrument cluster and navigation screen, you can calculate the correction value that you need to input to your instrument cluster, so those two readouts are the same. Now I'm going to show you how to update this correction value in the instrument cluster, and in a moment I will show you how to calculate it. So let's say that we have to input 1025. When we are in the position 2000, you need to press it once. Wait till it ends with 5, press, and now wait. Okay, it starts at 1025. And now I'm going to show you how to calculate this correction value. Okay, so let's say that you drove 400 kilometers, you got 33 liters of gas missing from your tank. So when you calculate this, you know that your actual fuel consumption is 8.25 per 100 kilometers. When checking your trip computer, you know that from the same distance your estimated fuel consumption is 7.8 liters. So this is how the equation looks. This is your estimated fuel consumption. You need to multiply that by the correction value, and on the other side you should get the 825. So to calculate the correction value that you need to input in the hidden menu, you need to do it like this. Take your actual fuel consumption divided by the estimated fuel consumption, and you should get the value. So the new correction value is 1057, and this is what you should input in the hidden menu. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you liked this tutorial. Also check my other videos for BMW and other brands. Subscribe for future ones, and see you soon.